Good morning, beautiful people, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. I am so very sorry that I haven't uploaded all this while. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see in my topic today I'm going to be talking about student finance. Stay with me and I will catch you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the community. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for liking my video. Thank you for staying with me. And I promise to always upload the video that you really want through your comments in the comment section. It will make me know what I'm gonna upload, so always make sure you comment in the comment section. So just before I dive in further, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below and give me a like. And next to the subscribe button, you will see the bell button, which is the notification button, which you can click so that you get notified when my next video is going to be up. So everyone, I'm going to be talking about student finance because it's nearly the time, it's almost September now, and this is the time when Ucas is closing their application, and this is the time where you have a deadline to apply for your student finance. Right now, you don't want to miss out on the money, you don't want to miss out on the support you will get at university. If you know you're struggling to fill in your student loan, just stay with me, and this is a topic for you, and I will show you all what I've done through my own personal experience. I haven't googled anything up, I haven't researched anything, but through my own personal experience, I'm gonna tell you what I did to make sure I have stayed in line to do exactly what I needed to do on time. So basically, I have been studying diploma as an access course to university. So in my college, because we are access students and most of us we actually wanted to go to university, we have that support, we have that workshop for students and finance. But because I've been so busy, I have so many assignments, I didn't even look at any, or I didn't even log in into any of the workshop. So what I did is, because the deadline for student finance is May the 20th, which is almost approaching, is nearly May the 20th for you to make your application, so that you will get your money exactly by September. But if you apply further to that time, it might be okay, but obviously you might not be guaranteed to get your money by September when you actually need it. Who doesn't want to who doesn't want to get the money at the exact time? I know you will want to do, because I want to do, because when you resume school by September, one of the things where you want to be less concerned is for you to be applying for student finance and your money not to be coming through. You just want to concentrate on your course and getting to know your tutors, getting to know your course, getting to know everything. So if you've actually applied for student finance earlier and you've sorted it out and you've actually get your money by September, that will be least of your concern, because actually getting into uni, someone going to placement, traveling to your course and paying your rent, you need your student loan sorted out. So this is what I've done, and I went into gov.uk. I think this video is mainly for UK students, because studying in United Kingdom. I don't know if it is of any use to any what's the name, for any student in any other place. I know for Scotland and UK is fine, but I don't know about any other place. So if you're studying in the UK, stay with me, and you want to apply for student loan, you'll be struggling to know what exactly you wanted to do. So this is the video for you. So when I went to gov.uk, I typed in student loan, and when I typed in student loan, it just popped up that I have to register or sign in. So I do not have to register because I'm a continuing student. I already applied before when I was doing my college, because student loan, student finance already gave me money to study my course. So I am an existing student, so I just signed in with my reference, with my student finance number, my email and everything. I just got in. So I think there is a session where it said you want to study undergraduate or postgraduate or continue student of undergraduate. I just put new to undergraduate, and because I already know what course I'm choosing, I already got an offer through Ucas, so I exactly just put the name of my university there, and it just pop up to say how much. And it was just exactly so simple, because every step of the way where you have, I think you will need like 30 minutes to fill it in, but every step of the way there is a video on the students finance page where it will just guide you through. So I didn't have to call anyone, I didn't have to research online, and I didn't regret it. I didn't regret that I did not attend a workshop in my college. So I just use the video, and every step of the way it guides you through. Because if you are a mature student, if you are not going to be living in students accommodation, there is a way you can do that. If you've got children, there's a way you can do that, where you can add your children to get childcare. It was just so exactly easy. So just go into the student finance page and click onto their button, register if you haven't, and if you're an existing student, just sign in. And every step of the way, the student finance page, with this video on the student finance page, we just guide you through it, and you're ready to apply. And when you finish applying, you just send in your evidence. When you send in your evidence, you know it's done. That is just it is done, and it's just so simple as that. So do not forget, guys, in the comment section, if there's anything you're struggling with your application, just put it in the comment section. I think I will just I can answer your question, because I've got colleagues who are applying as well, and I can just help you to do some